So this is kind of unreal, man. I hate seeing this sort of stuff with ChatGPT. Um, Gosh, all right. I'm gonna show you a question that I ask it. That it's just like I get it, you know. I mean, I don't get it, but I definitely. It's just the same frickin' story every time. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, saying, "I am a 55-year-old, not very active, play a lot of computer games, I eat unhealthy food. How do I take my life from couch potato to a well-trained, slim individual with good health?" And it marks that as potentially against its content policy. Although it does provide me with a response, but why is it even looking at that sort of a question as potentially like something it wouldn't want to answer? You know, can we ask it? Can we replace some of these variables? Like I am a maybe if I say man, 55-year-old man. What if I say I am a 55-year-old woman? Yeah, it's strange, right? I find it a bit suspicious that it. Why I don't know why that doesn't. What's triggering that? Maybe we can get some more stuff. Maybe I can just say. All right. Well, let's start a new chat. Okay, so taking your life from couch potato to well-trained individual, there's no issue with that. So it looks like it might be in the playing the computer games and eat unhealthy food. Okay. Now, so it has no issue. We'll start a new chat just to freaking maybe try to control for as many variables as possible. Okay, it doesn't really make sense. So it's okay. It's okay with video games. I eat a ton of unhealthy food. Interesting. What if I just said, I eat a ton of unhealthy food? Okay, so saying I eat a ton of unhealthy food is okay. I eat a ton of unhealthy food, and that is bad. Okay, so it seems like this just might be a glitch, a little glitch in the software. So whatever.